Hey ladies, I wanted to create this video for two reasons. One, I wanted to introduce our new foundation that I'm really enjoying right now. And then I want to show about different tools you can use to create a different look. I'm going to use our foundation brush, and I'm also going to use a sponge. I've already done my skincare. I already have my foundation primer on. And so now we're going to go ahead and just going to do the different the foundation. Okay, so we have this a new tool, and it's AI generated, and it is to help you with your match. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just do it all over. So it's a IntelliMatch technology where it's giving you like true skin to match. So you definitely want to check it out. We'll have it in the description for you to go and try it yourself to see the match. This foundation, what I'm loving about the foundation is that it's very natural and it has a very nice, flawless to me finish. So this is the brush I'm going to use, and I'm gonna demonstrate it in like little circles. Okay. So that is how you would actually use the brush. Another thing, this foundation comes in two finishes. It's coming in luminous and matte. I'm doing the matte, but I will say I'm probably gonna switch the luminous. I find the matte kind of settles in a little bit into lines and stuff, and where the luminous does not. The luminous gives you the glow. And so now we're gonna use the sponge, and we'll show this is a much lighter. Now, let me just say the sponge, I did wet the sponge, and I used my hand, I just squeezed it a bunch of times, okay? So it's damp, it's not wet. So this finish is a very lightweight finish. So if you just want something super lightweight, then you would use a sponge. Also, this foundation has skin loving benefits in it, skincare benefits in it. And so it has resveratrol in it, it has vitamin B3 in it, it has collagen peptides. So it's actually your last step to your skincare is your foundation. But y'all, look at the difference. See how light in compared to this side. So two tools, same foundation, but using the tools really makes a difference on the coverage. This is a buildable coverage, so buildable foundation. You want to try our new foundation, make sure that you try our AI foundation finder. The AI generated tool is very fabulous to help you select your perfect match with our new Time Wise foundation.